So hello to all my new English 1102 students. As you will learn on the first day of class, one of the course requirements is that you keep a weekly blog about your research experiences. So in this little video, I'm going to show you how to set up that blog. And you do have several options when it comes to choosing a blogging site, but I'm going to show you one of my personal favorites, which is LiveJournal. And you can find the link to LiveJournal, which is simply livejournal.com, and to some of those other sites in your course syllabus. So we're going to look today at setting up an account in LiveJournal and then how to post your first response. Okay, so in the top right-hand corner, you'll find a link to creating a new account. This is also where you will log in once you've set up that account. Okay. So the usual sort of form appears in which you need to choose a username, your email address you need to provide. Use the one that you most frequently check, whether that's your GSU account or another personal email address. It's up to you which one you use. You need to set up a password, something that you can easily remember. You also have to let them know your gender, your birthday, and that you're actually a human being instead of some sort of spam bot. So you will type what you see here in the box and then click on create an account. Now I have actually already set up an account for the course, and so I'm going to log in and show you what that looks like. This takes you to the home page, and from here you can do a lot of customization as you're first setting up your journal. So if you look at journal and then click on journal style, you can give your journal a title and a subtitle. You can be more creative than I was here with my journal. You can then choose a theme, and there's all kind of things here, everything from food and drink to animals if you want a nice pink kitty cat for your theme. I went with writing, okay, and I chose the inked blue background, which I'll show you in a second. You can also look at the page setup, sort of the layout for it, and customize that. You can also, this little doodad here is the user icon. You can upload those as well. You'll actually go to where it says profile, right, and manage user pics. And you can, put up a picture of yourself or something representative of you. But again, you'll just choose those from a file. Okay, but again, it's another layer of customization that I think makes LiveJournal particularly fun and personal. Now if I click here, this was my username. It's going to actually take me over to my journal. And everyone sees the same thing the first time that they log in, a nice welcome message from the LiveJournal folks. You can see links to, changing the look and the layout and the user pics that I just showed you. So again, they'll, give you instructions on how to do that. And also how to post an entry. Now, typically, if you're not working from this welcome message that has all of the links in it, to add an entry, you actually will just look up here in the left-hand corner where it says Post to Journal. And by clicking on that, you open the screen in which you can type your post. So my subject, you can base your subject line according to the prompts for class that week, or do something a little more creative, just so I can tell what you were responding to. And then you type your text in here. Okay. And you can do tags here if you want to keep these organized. There's spell check, which is always a good thing. And LiveJournal lets you choose who gets to see this entry, from public to friends to private, if you just want to be able to look back at it. The posts you do for class, though, I need to be able to see them, obviously. So do consider that when you're looking at your privacy settings. You can preview what you have, what you've typed so far by clicking the preview button. Okay, nothing fancy here, but we can see what it's going to look like. And so if I'm ready to post, I click the button right next to that, and here we go. And so if you want to see what that looks like in your journal, you can view your updated journal here. Okay. And there it is. Now if you want to edit that, you can click Edit Your Entry. Okay. And edit as you want to. Okay. And again, then you just click Save Your Entry. And so it's as easy as that. We can go back in and look at your journal. Okay. So please let me know if you have any questions. Again, you want to set up your LiveJournal account using those links from the syllabus, the course syllabus. You can find those there. And then make your first post. And